Okay, year 3 of our vinyl plank flooring directly over tile. Here's the tile underneath it. We didn't do this, did the trim on this because we wanted to be able to show people. So here's our underlayment, and the tile floor is right underneath. We didn't rip it up or nothing because we're renting and we didn't want to tear up a floor. So we're going to leave that there for now. I'm going to show you the floor. Follow me. Come on. It gets a lot of use from a lot of family members, and it still looks pretty good. The only thing I would probably mention would be right down in here, if you can get close enough, we had a little bit of a buckle that I think is from being too tight against the wall here in close quarters. So make sure you try to give yourself a bigger gap, or you might get a little bit of a buckle. But it's been 3 years now and it looks pretty good. Over here, in this general area, you can kind of see, if you get close enough from a decent angle, you can kind of see where the tile is, and where the vinyl plank is a little bit bowing from that. But it's really hard to see for, say, somebody that didn't know that you did it. But other than that, I think it came up really good. I want to get from this angle here. I think you can see it there. Come here, Jonathan. This is Jonathan's playhouse. He's living a double life. But yeah, right here you can kind of see a little bit, maybe, the angle.
I think the other angle is pretty good too. But yeah, right
We
here.
brought it into a bathroom. And it came out really well. It's perfect for wet floor areas, which is pretty much why we kept it in our kitchen and bathroom, a little bit in our dining area. It turned out really well, and it's been 3 years this month, and we're pretty psyched about it. Would I do it again is the question, and the answer is yes. So I hope this video helps people that are thinking about it. If you have any questions, feel free to write them down in the comments, and thanks for watching.